Are you ready to start a powerful AI automation business and build a real online income? In today's digital world, AI automation is one of the fastest growing opportunities for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and beginners who want to make money online. In this video, you will learn how to start an AI automation business step by step, even if you have no prior experience. AI tools are changing the way businesses operate. From content creation to customer service, automation is helping companies save time and increase profits. This creates a huge opportunity for you to offer AI-powered services and earn money from clients worldwide. In this video, we explain how you can use popular AI tools to create services such as content writing, social media management, video creation, voiceovers, and marketing automation. You don't need advanced technical skills, just basic understanding and the right strategy. You will also learn how to find clients using freelancing platforms and social media. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are full of businesses looking for AI automation solutions. By offering simple services at competitive prices, you can start getting clients quickly and grow your income step by step. Another powerful method covered in this video is building automated systems. For example, you can use AI tools to generate content, schedule posts, respond to messages, and even create videos automatically. Once your system is set up, it can work for you 24/7, allowing you to earn passive income. We also discuss how to scale your AI automation business. As you gain more clients, you can increase your prices, outsource tasks, and build a team. This will help you turn a small side hustle into a full-time online business. One of the biggest advantages of AI automation is low investment. You don't need a large budget to get started. Many AI tools offer free or low-cost plans, making it easy for beginners to enter this field. This video is perfect for anyone who wants to start an online business, earn money using AI tools, build passive income streams, work from home or anywhere in the world. The future belongs to those who understand and use AI. If you start today, you can stay ahead of the competition and build a strong income source for the long term. Take action now and start your AI automation journey today. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI business ideas and online earning strategies.